Anyway, there's nothing you or I can do to bring them back now.
He has risen, baby girl.
Fuck!
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand.
I love you. Wrong number. I'm standing right here. Wrong address. But leave a message at the top.
I love sucking dick! I love sucking dick! I love sucking.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
And death.
Is this Eddie's place?
You don't. What is good? You don't know. You don't know me. You don't know.
He's just resting.
In pieces! That man is dead!
He's so sleepy.
No grave can hold my body down. I'll crawl home to her.
Coincidence? I think not!
Would you rather kill Jen? Or...
Yes, kill her.
I didn't say the other.
I don't need to hear it. I'm feeling a little unsafe.
So I'm sending them off. Hopefully they'll be able to find a better place out there somewhere.
Melvin? Melvin? Hey, Pipsqueak. Hey.
So this is really all your fault. You destroyed everything.
Friendship goes beyond your average kind of bond, but not because we're gay. No, not because we're gay. We're close, but not that way. The only man that I love is my dad. Well, anyway.
Get her, she dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she dance.
My straight best friend.
Delete that footage.
Traitorous quad! Traitorous quad! Traitorous quad! Traitorous quad! Traitorous...
When you're not around, you're still on my mind. And I hope this ain't surprising that I've been fantasizing. This ain't no joke. Let me clear my throat. I wanna make love to you. This right here's a penny, trust my penny.
Few inches later.
Tonight at my house, the couch may not pull out, but I do.
Appreciate you, Buck.
I hate you.
Again. A fucking...
She never asked me once about the wrong I did.
Unacceptable! Unacceptable!
You don't know where to go. I'll show you where to start. Kill yourself. It'll only take a minute, and you'll be happy that you did it.
We just need these!
What are you gonna do with those?
Punch Horde Prime.
Love me anyway.
I love you, kid.
Hey, look who I found!
どうした？
今とてもイラッとしました。
Conversation lasted 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes.
3 minutes and 17 seconds. I must say goodbye to this place now. To you.
Goodbye? Victor, you're my partner.
Our paths diverged long ago. It was affection that held us together.
I'll give it back. Give it back. I'm serious.
Wait a minute!
Well, I've been softening the butter instead of melting it. It makes everything fluffier. What was that? What? You flipped the tablet. Did I? What are you looking at, Eddie? Oh, sorry. None of my business. Privacy of your own home, and I respect that. But just a quick.
He's naked. So very naked.
Man, the myth, the legend.
Hi. Not dead.
Now the competition's out of the way.
You cannot compete where you don't compare.
Have any more time? Mine was always borrowed. LA was supposed to be my penance, not my home. Then you said yes to a dinner invitation, and I started to live again.
Bad show. Very bad show.
Am I actually crying? I think I'm actually crying.
You know who this motherfucker look like, low-key?